Hello and welcome to Sheba online classes. Standard 10 students, are you revising all your portions? So, we have finished 2 units wholly, okay, full 2 units we have finished. Now, I am going to start with 3rd unit, that is I will be taking poem. The name of the poem is I Am Every Woman, and who is the poet is Rakhi Narayani Shirke. Okay. Now, who shall tell you a little intro about her. She is an academic teacher with a passion for writing poems and as a medium of self-expression. She is a postgraduate in a bachelor degree, that is B.Ed. That time she is a B.Ed and she likes to write poems, and mostly she focuses on the development of women. Okay, and this poem also is an eye opener for all the girls who are in the house thinking that I am nothing, I am a woman, I can't do this, I can't do that, I have so many restrictions to I have to be within the 4 walls. After reading this poem, you will definitely, it is an eye opener, I told you before itself. It will give you a chance to come out of your from your shell and see, look at the world, and look at each. This poet has a description of this woman. So many adjectives she has used, okay, so many adjectives, and now you'll understand. Then after reading this poem, you'll see, oh, is a woman so strong? Like that you'll see. Definitely we are very strong. We can overcome anything, any obstacle in life, okay. And those boys who are listening to this poem, you will definitely start respecting women and see what a change it will bring in your life, okay. Let's start. I am every woman. A woman is beauty innate, a symbol of power and strength. She puts her life at stake. She is real, she is not fake. See, what is he saying? He is a beauty innate, means what? A real natural beauty. How are women? Women are natural beauties, okay. So, it is inborn, the beauty is inborn in them. That means not only on the face and also inside the heart also. It is in their, even their heart it is very beautiful, she is saying. A symbol of power and strength. See there, what is she a symbol of? Symbol of power and strength. See what adjectives been used for her. She puts her life at stake. What's the meaning of stake? She puts it in so much difficulty. She is real, she is not fake. Now she puts her life at stake. One example, what is it? You think for yourself, what is the stake? How does she put herself in difficulty? By giving birth, okay. By giving birth to a baby, she puts her life at stake. That means it is a rebirth for her. She dies and she comes back into life, okay. While giving birth, a woman, so much pain and so much difficulty she goes through at childbirth, okay. So she puts her life at stake. She is real, she is not fake. That means she is real, she is a woman, she is a human innate, okay, she is human, that is, and she is not fake. She does not fake any pain, whatever is happening in the house. Anything happens in the house, any problems, she keeps everything to herself. She is not fake, okay, she is a human. She does not fake. She does not bring out crocodile tears, what they say. What is crocodile tears? Simply they cry and make a scene of it. No, it's not like that. She is real. Okay, next. The summer of life she is ready to see in spring. That means summer of life. What is the meaning of summer? Now, what is summer? So, spring, summer, autumn, winter. 4 seasons we have got, isn't it? Now, each season, this poet, what they do is they regard, that is, they take like it's a metaphor. They compare life to the seasons. Now, what is this saying? See the line. The summer of life she is ready to see in spring. She says, spring will come again, my dear. Let me care for the ones who's near. She is the woman, she has no fear. So, again the second stanza of the line, see the word saying, the summer of life, that is, maybe she is going through lot of difficulties. Say in some families, some ladies go through lot of difficulties, but what is that is confidence she has got in herself, a determination, the strong belief. What she is saying is, summer will come again, that is, spring will come again. Spring, summer, autumn, winter, isn't it? The winter is taken as difficulty. Okay, then next is what? After the winter, next immediately the weather changes to spring. So, after all the difficulty, definitely we will look forward, isn't it? Okay, now this is winter, it's snowing, it is lot of rain and all that. And then what happens after? Sudden there will be one change. When February, March, what happens? Weather changes, isn't it? Changes to a very pleasant weather. There is no rain, nothing. There are very pleasant, very cool weather. That is spring. So that is happiness. It is compared to happiness. Okay. Sadness will come. It will go away. Spring is in the way. Okay. It is coming. See, spring will come again, my dear. So she pacifies herself. Okay. Don't be scared. All these troubles will go away. Spring will come back to us again. That means happiness will come back to us again. So always she has an optimistic approach. So these two lines tell you that she has always a positive approach to life. She does not have, oh my God, nothing is going to happen, that's all, my life is finished. Not like that. She always have a positive approach. So next, let me care for the ones who is near. That is always a mother. Just look at the mother's position in the house. She has to look after the family, and whatever the husband gives to the wife, whatever the salary, within that salary she has to maintain all the expenses and looking after the children, looking after the house, everything she has to do. So much burden on her shoulder, isn't it? So what she is saying, let me care for the ones who is near, that is my loved ones, my children, my husband, like that. My family, that is one as a unit. She is the woman, she has no fear. Whatever may come, any ups and downs, she is there standing in front of everything, looking after everybody. Okay. The next, strong is she in her faith and belief. So strong, how is she? She is strong. See how many metaphors the poet is using. Strong is she in her faith and belief. So first she was having what? She is a beauty. The next they were telling about how she is optimistic, and now she is saying how persistence. That is, persistence is the key to everything. That is a proverb. Okay, persistence is the key to everything, says she. Despite the sighs and groans and moans, she is strong in her faith, firm in her belief. So again, it is her determination, her self-confidence, her self-belief. She is hopeful. She is saying, I can do it. I can do whatever. That is, nothing is impossible for me. I can look after everybody. I can take care of myself and my family. So strong is she in her belief and faith. Persistence is the key of everything. What is persistence? Her determination. I will do this. If she is taken up something to do something, definitely she will do it. Okay. She says despite the sighs and groans and moans, that means what? She is strong. She is not going to accept failure. Okay. That is, sighs, groans and moans that is being rejected. Sighs means what? Oh my God, like that. Okay. Groans means any pain she has got, grumbling, always doing this, grumbling. No, she's not at all like that. And moans means what? She is having that sadness. Nothing other. She is not bothered about all that. Okay. Despite sighs and groans and moans, despite, that means what? In spite of having all this, what is she? She is a strong person. She is strong in her faith, firm in her belief. So next, the fourth stanza. What is he? She is a lioness. Don't ever mess with her. She'll not spare you if you are a prankster. Don't ever try to saw her pride, her self-respect. She knows how to saw you, so beware. So she is today's woman dear, love her, respect her, keep her near. Actually, this poet is giving a warning to everybody, to all the men out there. Be scared of this poet. She is saying, Rakhi is telling, today's woman, love her, respect her, keep her near. See, she is warning everybody. So you give her the proper respect. Take respect, give respect. Okay. So like that, no? The fourth stanza, what is she saying? She is openly comparison to who? A lioness. She is a lioness. How is she? She is a lioness. Don't ever mess with her. That means don't ever tease her or try to mock her. Okay. So if you tease her or try to mock her or make fun of her, what will happen? See the next line. She will not spare you if you are a prankster. Prankster means those who are making fun of her or trying to tease her, all that. Those, she will not spare you. That means what? She will never just let you go. She will hold you and give you full thrashing only. Don't ever try to saw her pride. Saw, what's the meaning of saw? Saw means you cut her pride. To cut down her ego. What she'll do? She knows how to thaw you, saw you, so beware. That means thaw you means what? With one look, if you hurt her, if a woman is hurt, if she is hurt, what happens? Inside, the lioness inside her will come out. Okay, what will happen with one stare? Will thaw means what? With one stare, one cruel stare to you, that means you will freeze. Thaw means you will freeze. That you won't know what to do. How will I? You won't know what is your next move. Also, you can't move. That's what you. She'll look at you, one stare. She'll look at you. You will freeze. You will become cold like that. That's what thaw means. You will freeze on the spot. You will freeze. And then next, saw you means she'll cut you into pieces. The way she speaks, or her strong belief and all that, she will just cut you. That is, she'll stop you at that instance when you hurt her. Okay, so beware. What she's saying? So beware. She's threatening. She's threatening you. A woman is threatening. So beware. She's today's woman. She's not that olden days woman. Okay. Now which century we are in? She's not that old century, olden days how the ladies were, very soft, very low, only in the four walls of the house. She cannot go out. She needs accompany her, male member to accompany her outside. So always she is protected, and only what happened? She only has to look after the family, no studying, nothing, be in the house, cook and look after the cattle. In those days, cattle. She has to look after the cattle and look after the house, cook, that's all the house. No studying, she can't go out of the house. So that kind of a woman she is not anymore. She is what? Today's woman, a strong modern woman. So don't ever mess with her. Okay, she is today's woman. Today's woman, dear, love her, respect her, keep her near. So this is it. So those who have heard about this, those who learnt about this poem, now the girls, are you sure of yourself? Are you confident? Will you face the world equally as Rakhi has told you about the poet? That is, the poet has told you about this poem. See how well it is written about us, isn't it? So be proud to be a woman. Okay. Next I will be taking, that is grammar. In grammar, I will be taking idioms and phrases. This is behind the book back of the unit 3 prose. Okay, behind book back unit 3 prose. So you get this idioms and phrases. Okay, in this, why do we have to study idioms and phrases? You will be thinking, no? What are idioms? What are phrases? I will explain that to you. Idioms and phrases mainly we study, that is in future. If you want to become a writer, or you want to become a speech, that is you want to speak, you are in speech you want to be famous, that is those who give long speeches, no, in public speaking, no, you need this. Okay, and then for to develop your vocabulary, that is, so these three things, that is for writing, speaking and to develop your vocabulary. So that we need this thing to make your speech more effective. Okay, more flowery, that is you just literally talking, that point to point talking, people will not like it. Okay, if you want going to give a public speaking, no, that is speech you are going to give in for tomorrow, who knows, one among you can become a great leader. Isn't it? Great leader, you can become someone very famous, a business magnate, you can become a business icon, you can become. In that you a lot of these people they give speeches. Okay, now in a board meeting, of course, in a board meeting you have to give a speech about a presentation you have to give. In the presentation you just only speak a simple English, will not be appreciated. You little add on to phrases, you add on to more of idioms, then they will definitely like you. In speaking also, all this is possible only if you speak in English. Okay, if you speak in English only. Okay, otherwise it is not at all possible. So you have to make a point in speaking in English. Spoken English, how much we are giving, you know, when you were in school, that is till March we were giving you so many kind of prizes. We gave you badge to study for those who speak good English, spoken English. We give you so much encouragement. But you hardly take it in, isn't it? You have to, now you will realize later as you grow, you will realize the importance of speaking in English. If you go abroad, if you go anywhere else, definitely you need to speak in English, children. Please try to speak in English. Don't take it, why my mother tongue is best. Your mother tongue only in your state only. Okay, when you go out, no, you definitely need to speak in English, because it is a universal language, a global language. So all these kind of things, no, this grammar part will help you in that. So please try to develop in speaking in English. Okay, in that. So what I told you before, writing, speaking and to develop your vocabulary, idioms and phrases are used. Now I will tell you what is idiom. Idioms are a group of words. Okay, it is in the page number 66 in your book. It is a group of words put together as a unit with a particular meaning the meaning of the word is not literal. For example, one says that the cat is out of the bag, when it does not literally mean that the cat is out of the bag, but it means the secret is out. So, people who, when you speak this, no, they should understand, oh, what you are trying to say, like that. So, here I put on a few examples here, just see. What I have given here is break the ice, add fuel to fire. So, it is figurative. What I am telling you is idioms are figurative. That means it does not convey the literal meaning. It is not literal meaning. It is, you have to understand it. Another one is, it is metaphorical comparison. Okay, metaphorical comparison. One sentence is given, it is comparing to something else. Okay, it is comparing to something else. Now, I told you, the cat is out of the box. What is it comparing to? It is comparing that a cat is inside, it comes out. So, what is that? A secret is inside, no? The secret comes out means there is one secret. It means what? What's the meaning of secret? You have to keep it safely, you should not tell it to anybody. But what happens here is the secret is known to everybody. That is what the comparison. The cat is out of the bag. That means the secret is out. Everybody knows that secret. It is not a secret anymore. Got that now? So, that is the metaphor. You have to understand the lines. So, next is I am giving you add fuel to the fire. What is the meaning of add fuel to the fire? That means if there is already a problem is going on, some problem is going on. So, what people will do, they add, if there is a fire, if the fire is burning, what we do, you put more fuel, that you put more petrol or any gas, what will happen? It will burn more, isn't it? So, that same thing is, if there is a problem in the house or problem elsewhere, if you little more you keep on adding, oh yes, this girl, little more, you say something negative, keep on telling negative, no, what will happen? That will become a big problem. Okay. So, that only is called to increase the problem. That is the meaning is add fuel to the fire. What is the meaning of break the ice? Break the ice means you are going to break the ice with a hammer? No. What is the meaning of break the ice? Break the ice means, say for example, two persons, that is one girl and a boy, they are meeting after a long time. Okay, they are meeting. So, how they have to start the conversation? No, they have to start the conversation, only then their friendship will grow. So, to talk, that is to break the ice is the silent thing. You break the ice means you keep talking, you develop a conversation, that is only called the break the ice. Now, this is actually 360 years old idiom this is. Okay, a little more, that is extra information I am giving you. What is the meaning of that? Means earlier, very say in the so many centuries back, what happened? They used to go in the ice. How they break the ice? Arctic region. When you go in a ship, what will happen? Many icebergs will be there. There will be so many ice. That is, a ship can't go normally. It doesn't go in this, like how it goes in the water, in the ocean. There will be lot of ice. So when the ship is going, no, they break the ice. So such a huge lot of ice everywhere. They have to break the ice and go. Okay, that is why. What is that? You have to go ahead. That means what? What's a break the ice means? It means to go ahead. Understood that? Now, two person I told you, they have to start a conversation. So, one person has to speak. So, that is the break the ice. Got that now? So, it is not literal meaning, it is figurative meaning. That means comparison. You have to understand it. You have to understand the words. It is a little difficult only, but as you keep learning about it, it is easy to understand. It will be very funny. Some words are very funny. Okay. Now, next we come to phrase. What is a phrase? Phrase is just the opposite of idioms. That means it is literal meaning. Literal meaning means the words, what the words are, it's that meaning only, same meaning only. So, it is a fact. Okay. Literal meaning means fact. For example, under the stairs. What is under the stairs? Under the stairs. Under the stairs, I have my book rack. That means under the stairs. Stairs, under the stairs. It is very under the stairs. This is that literal meaning only. Next one is comfortable bed. Comfortable bed, comfortable chair, comfortable table. So, what is that? It is just your comfort zone. Where are you? It is a comfortable bed, that is all. It is literal meaning only. There is no in-depth meaning, okay, as in the idioms. It is just literal meaning. Got that now? Do you know the difference between idioms and phrases? Okay. So, hope everything is clear to you now. You understood what is idioms and phrases. There are a lot of exercises given to you behind the thing that match the following and choose everything. So, try to understand, take a dictionary, always keep a dictionary at hand. You don't know the meaning, take the dictionary. Some dictionaries that is behind, they have got phrases and idioms, compare it. Oh, you got one phone in your hand now, that itself is enough. You just type this idiom, tell the meaning of the idiom, it will come, all the idioms will come, 100 and 200 idioms will come. So, find out the meaning and note it down and learn it. Okay. So, I finished poem and grammar. So, go through it, please study it. Okay. Do not be idle at home. Thank you.